Today we're going to be designing and tasting print-on-demand coffee. Now, we've talked about a lot of print-on-demand products here on the Kittl page, but we haven't talked about coffee yet. This is pretty wild. I didn't know this was a thing. It is a thing, and we designed this and had it printed and shipped. But not only are we going to show you how we designed this, but we're also going to taste test this and give you our notes. Of course, we have coffee with Kittl. I needed to record this, so Drew didn't drink this coffee during his most recent coffee with Kittl, which is a shame, but we wanted to save the fancy unboxing just for you. By the way, this product specifically is available in Printify. So let's dive in. So let's quickly go over the layout and the design of this coffee packaging. I have my Kittl project here. This artboard is 3,900 by 4,444 pixels. That is the recommended size for this project. And then as you can see, I have this template right here. This is just a layer that I've adjusted the opacity to see where the guide marks are. And where you can go to find this template is if you go to Printify and you go under catalog, and under food and health, you can go to coffee, pick any one of these. These are the different roast levels, different types of coffee. This is so strange. So you're going to click this, and then you're going to go down to start designing. And then it is right here. Kind of hard to get to, a little convoluted. Yes, I know, but you can download this design template. It'll give you a zip file, and in that, it'll give you a PNG that you can drag into your Kittl project. Just line up the corners, and you're good to go. So I'm actually gonna go into my layers and turn this template off so you can see what's going on here. Like theme-wise, design-wise, I was going for kind of like a new age, modern, sustainable vibe. I mean, I didn't spend too much time on this, maybe like 15, 20 minutes. But this was kind of some of my inspiration that I grabbed from Pinterest. And it does have that modern, very new age ink trap font, kind of sustainable. Like the older version of sustainable packaging and like eco is kind of like the cardboard, repurposed pressed wood, brown and light color kind of vibe. This is more digital sustainable. And so that's kind of what I was going for with these colors. This is like a very, very, very dark green background. And then all of these elements are kind of, I don't even know what to call this color, but it's kind of like a citrus lime, a very desaturated lime, almost like a yellow. I think I pulled that from here. I just really, really liked that color. These were some of the elements that I just took from the elements panel. Cool thing that you can round the corner radius. So actually that was the element at first, was this star, and I rounded the corners to be this different kind of shape. And then made smaller versions of that. And then this is obviously just text with the circle transformation on it. I just drew this and then vectorized it. I think I just drew this in a notebook and then took a picture of it with my phone and then vectorized it. And now it's a vector, one color SVG art. And then you can change the color of that. The font that I used here, you can see right here, DT Kittl. I don't know if that's how you would actually say that. Somebody can correct me. DT Kittl Grotesque. It is kind of an ink trap font, so you can see these little cuts in the words and the letters. That is really, really cool. This was my favorite part of the whole thing right here, was this little hey hot stuff, which this is a cool idea that I saw one time, and now anywhere I can incorporate this, I try to do it, is taking text and then making a smiley face out of the text. It's just super, super fun. And that's when he opened the little flap of the coffee to open the packaging. You open it up and it reveals that. And so that's just like a cool little treat there for whoever is receiving the product. And then the designer's coffee of choice. I just did a little squiggle text right here on one of the sides. And then I think that coffee is best over ice, and so you should do that as well, even though in this video we drank it hot, myself begrudgingly, but I still drank it and it was fine. And you can also see in the template here, there are some notes, like this is gonna be on the product. This box where it has tasting notes region and the ounceage and like roast level and whatnot, don't put anything there, because that is going to be on the product no matter what you design. So anything you put in this is just going to be like vetoed, and this is going to be put here instead. I mean, if you want to do a pattern, that's fine, but just know this section is going to be covered up by this information. So I wouldn't put any crucial illustrations or text or anything right here, because it'll be bygones. This will also be here as well. Also, Drew and I thought that there would be a nutrition facts section here, so I didn't put anything there. It turns out you don't have to display nutrition facts on coffee. It's only on food. So this whole side ended up being blank, and I could have put something there. So just know that if you do this, you can design something here. Just watch out for this little manufacturing block. Smell anything. You're gonna spill that everywhere.
What are you talking about? Okay, it's open.
Good.
Oh shoot, I can smell it now. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. There you smell it.
Oh, that's not bad.
You over here in your dark corner. It doesn't smell bad.
It actually smells great.
It smells better than Starbucks. Roast.
Debatable.
Smell it. To work out. Then we have a beautiful amount of coffee grounds in our little canister. All the coffee snobs, I'm sure, are gonna go to the comments and be like, that's not the right fineness. I don't care, this is on-demand coffee. It's not the right grain. It's not the right grain. All right. All right, this is Trent. Do you still work at Black and White or no?
I do, but I don't know if you're allowed to say that. Is this brand crossing?
No, it's fine. I have Black and White right there on the shelf.
Okay.
Over there in the corner.
Along with your mushroom coffee.
Along with my mushroom coffee. But I chose you because you work at a very prestigious coffee shop. And this is print on demand coffee. I already told you.
Just
roast
mesh prestigious and litigious together.
You know, I heard prestigious.
Is prestigious not a word?
Prestigious.
Prestigious. I say it prestigious.
You're just British.
Did you
It's
understand what I was saying?
I did. I
All
just thought maybe you were British.
All right. Tell me what we're getting on the nose, gentlemen.
Bean.
Bean.
Refried beans.
Do you know where it's from?
South America. Region. It says South America.
It's a little caramelly, maybe.
Is it really?
Well, taste wise, I'm getting like fruit.
Oh, we're
acidic.
tasting already. Okay.
Acidic, which you may not be used to.
Yeah, no.
You may used to.
I'm getting hot dog water.
No, you're not. Hot dog.
Actually, I don't like black coffee, so it's kind of hard.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
It's not bad at all.
No, it's not bad.
It is fruity, right? Am I wrong?
It's fruity.
It's not nutty. It's more acidic.
It says bright
It's
citrus and melon.
yeah.
Okay,
The
so
melon's
it's
pretty
more
strong.
acidic than it is nutty.
You didn't do bad with that Chemex.
Thank
It's
you.
a little over extracted.
Oh, okay. I don't even think I've extracted it all the way. I didn't even make a full
does that mean?
pot.
It's like sitting on my tongue a little weird.
I don't know.
You really don't like it?
No, it's
How
not
do
that I
you
don't like it.
over-extract?
It's not bad. I'm just not getting the citrus or like the fruit.
I would have to agree. I'm not also really
I get
getting
the
this.
melon.
What,
You get the melon?
Pour too
Yeah.
slow or something?
No, extraction is a long story.
Well, I've officially have to have done it all. Print on demand coffee. I mean, I don't even understand anymore the length of things that you can print on demand. Pretty soon it'll probably be like boats and cars and stuff. I don't know how you jump from coffee to cars, but people can do some crazy stuff. I just want to show this again because this is literally my favorite thing. Boom, there's that text right there. Well, the light is kind of glaring it, but that's my favorite thing, man. If you can just add fun, quirky stuff for the person receiving it, I'm sure they'll love it. Well, that's all for today's video. If you have any other wacky print on demand requests for us to try out, get printed, and then review, we will do it. We did it with coffee, which is probably the most wild thing that we've done so far. So evidently there is no limit to what we will do to entertain people on this channel. Make sure to like this video and comment down below. Like I said, pick a wacky product and we'll make it happen. Make sure to also subscribe to the Kittl YouTube channel so you don't miss anything, and we will see you in the next video.